In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the ByteArray function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. ByteArray function can convert objects into ByteArray objects, or create empty ByteArray object of the specified size. Let's make examples to better understand how the function works. I will send a number to the ByteArray function. ByteArray function create empty ByteArray object of the specified size. I am sending the number 1 instead of 0. I created one empty ByteArray object. We can make samples by sending different numbers. In summary, the first feature of the ByteArray function is that it can create as many empty ByteArray objects as specified. Let's do a different example. Let's send a list to the ByteArray function. If a list is sent to the ByteArray function, it first queries whether there is a char equivalent in the ASCII table. If the char equivalent is not in the ASCII table, it returns the hexadecimal equivalent. The calculation is made as shown on the screen. We can make different samples. You can see how the calculation is done on the screen. Some numbers have char equivalents in the ASCII table. If the number sent to the function has a char equivalent, the ByteArray function returns it. A list with more than one member can be sent to the ByteArray function. You can see how the calculation is done on the screen. Let's do a different example. I am creating a string. I send the string I created to the ByteArray function. I send the encoding type as the second parameter. I can display the list on the screen using a for loop. I printed the value in the ASCII table corresponding to each letter of the turtle expression to the console. For example, 84 corresponds to the letter T in the ASCII table. You can see other values in the table. Let's change the string. I printed the value in the ASCII table corresponding to each letter of the code expression to the console. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the ByteArray function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.